Hey, I'm Sarah Clay and it's Monday, so it's Post Idea Day. Every Monday I post an idea for you to post something on LinkedIn so you can have at least one post a week. Posting consistently on LinkedIn is a really important thing to do. So listen up and I'm going to help you with an idea. This week I'd like you to introduce yourself to your audience. Just say hi, say what you do, say where you live. Maybe even say something personal about you. Talk about what you do for your work and why you love it so much. Just a little introduction, a little bit like an elevator pitch, but not salesy. Just an introduction. Hi, tell everybody what you do. And that way, people are going to get to know you better. And you know the journey of know, like, and trust. If somebody knows you and likes you, they're more likely to trust you. And when somebody trusts you, that's when they buy from you. So introduce yourself to your audience this week, either in a video or in a written post. Tag me in your post because I'd love to get to know you too. Catch you later.